Hi everyone, welcome to MasterChef Mom. First of all, thank you so much for all the love that you have been sharing to the recipes that have been sharing. It is a delight to see all your creations and your feedback about the recipes. This truly motivates me to keep sharing interesting and most importantly healthy recipes with all of you. So today I'm so excited to share a super hit recipe with all of you. Super hit because I've already shared this on Instagram stories, and many of you have tried this recipe and shared that not only children but also other members of the family love this recipe. So without delay, let's start making this delicious recipe, the spinach pasta. So let's begin the preparation by first chopping the spinach. So I washed the spinach leaves twice and now I am going to roughly chop them. This because roughly chop because we are going to anyway blend this in a blender. So you can just roughly chop the spinach. So for spinach it is essential that you wash the leaves before you cut them, and after you cut them again put it in a colander and wash it again once or twice. So our spinach is now ready. So get all the other ingredients also ready. Okay, now let's start the preparation. Now I washed the spinach leaves nicely. Now what I'm going to do is to this I'm going to add one dry red chilli. To this I'm going to add boiling hot water. I have heated water in a kettle and I'm adding the boiling water. Just cover the spinach leaves with the water. So press it nicely. This is an important step. So cover it with a lid and allow it to rest for 5 minutes. So while this is resting, now let's prepare the pasta. I'm going to boil the pasta. I've heated water. I'm adding salt to it. I'm adding rock salt here. And when the water starts boiling, add the pasta of your choice. So now let the pasta cook. While the pasta is cooking, let's prepare the spinach sauce. So I'm draining the spinach from water into a colander. This is because my colander is outside. You can drain it in any bowl. Okay, now my spinach is ready. I'm just adding it to my blender. Add some water. The drained spinach water you can add and grind it smoothly like this. Now heat a pan. Add butter. If you want, you can use oil also. Now add crushed garlic. So this garlic I have crushed using my mortar and pestle. That gives the best flavor. So what you do, you nicely fry it. So the garlic has to fry well and brown like this. This is an important step again. Now add the spinach sauce. Be careful, it will splatter a little. Now what you can do is add some starch water, the starchy water from pasta. The water you are using to boil pasta, take that water, add it to the blender or mixie jar, whichever you are using to make the
spinach puree, add it to that and add it to the spinach pasta sauce mixture. Mix it well. Spinach need not cook much. Now add seasoning of your choice. Mix well. Next, we are going to add milk. If you want, you can add cream also. I am adding milk. Adjust according to the consistency of the sauce you need. If you want a thick sauce, you can add less. It has been 2 minutes. Now add cheese of your choice. You can add cheese cubes also grated. You can use mozzarella cheese. You can use grated paneer. You can mix cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese, grate it and add it. So now we are going to add the pasta. So I am draining it and adding it. Mix it well. Just has to simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. And you can add salt now. Taste and adjust salt. Also, you can be generous with your cheese. Mix it well. At this stage, if you want, you can even bake the pasta. If you want a baked spinach pasta, you just transfer this to a baking dish, cover it with breadcrumbs and cheese, and you can bake it. A delicious pasta is now ready.
Tasty spinach pasta was ready within minutes. It's so yummy and it was so easy to make. So do try out and share your feedback with me. Before you go, do like, comment and subscribe to MasterChef Mom. I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking!